Welcome back to our channel. Today you'll learn how to draw a girl step by step so you can recreate this beautiful piece. With our helpful tips and tricks, you'll realize drawing with acrylic markers is easy. First, sketch the girl and her butterfly wings on the canvas. Paint the face with skin color acrylic paint. Mix the white paint with pink and ochre. Paint the mask white. Outline the eyes, nose, and lips with black and start coloring the hair. Use different shades of blue acrylic paint pens, alternating between medium tip and extra fine tip to create the wings. Use a paintbrush to blend the colors. Paint the mask with a baby blue color paint pen. Start creating the ornaments with acrylic extra fine and medium tip markers. Artistro ink flows smoothly and covers the canvas perfectly. Outline the wings with the black paint pen with medium tip and add detailing with an extra fine tipped pen. Carefully draw butterfly antennas. Let's add a shining effect to this beauty with Artistro permanent silver and gold paint pens. Draw tiny scales with a white paint pen. What do you think? Let us know in the comments, and thank you for watching.